Hello slot car friends and RC friends, first RC video. This is the beast that I got lured into by Harry in Latvia. It looked so much fun to drive a crawler. I haven't had RCs before, like regular monster trucks and fast ones and so forth, Mini C Kyosho, from Kyosho, etc. But I've never had a crawler, and so that was a lot of fun. And I've already taken it out for the first ride, and it is as much fun as it looked like. But I did notice some limitations. But let's first start with the basic setup that I have now. I have upgraded, if you can see, I 3D printed these little flares, the hinges and the door handles, the intakes, air intakes, of etc. over here. I did also add a new bumper, kind of the spider model over here in the front, 3D printed, and then of course these sliders that we have over there. It's hard to see maybe, but there's sliders installed. I did also print this little stand on for the car. I might have also 3D printed a little bridge. It's all modular, so you can take it apart and move it around, and you can make it as long as you want. There are many different pieces. You could add longer pieces and so forth. So that's a lot of fun for those rainy days when you want to be indoors. I did also print this little thingy over here for indoor. It's kind of like a puzzle, so you can add as many of these different types of sections if you want. These I just put them in there to make it a little bit more difficult. So that's all 3D printed and painted. I've added some sand on there as well to make it more realistic. So that's the parts I have so far. I guess I'll continue 3D printing, or maybe I do one of those foam mountains that Harry and many other have, and just put plaster on it. But This is easy. I can move it around. I normally sit here on this computer and coach other photographers in how to light things. So a lot of American photographers. So I sit here, and then in between coaching sessions, I can throw down the car and put this one on the floor, and then I can drive my car to kill a couple of minutes. That's a lot of fun. Next step for this little baby, based on some of the limitations that I saw when I was driving, it's first update the wheels. I got new wheels that are heavier. These are plastic, so these are the metal ones that I bought, and new larger tires with hopefully better grip. Got more batteries coming in as well. I've also bought a brushless motor for this. I'm going to replace this little engine. So it's going to be a wiper from Endura, and that of course requires that I replace the ESC, and this servo here I noticed was very weak, so I'm changed that as well to a new servo. And besides that, I'm also replacing these links, the short ones to the front and also the long ones to the back, the metal ones. All these parts are coming on Monday, so we'll see how it performs. I'm thinking it's going to perform pretty well. But if you're not into RCs, or you want to look for a new first car, I think this is a great buy. It's very capable as is, out of box, and it comes with everything you need, all the batteries, etc., to run it. Just unbox it and go ahead and drive it. That's a lot of fun. There was a roof tent over here, but I took that away. It was just dead weight, but I kept the accessories. It's like all kinds of fun stuff in here. So anyway, that was my first RC video on kind of where we're at, and I'll probably post the next one when I have changed all the mods of the metal parts, etc. See you soon. Bye bye.